then me and you cannot own up me. And you're gonna tell me, say, you're hurting like this and me don't know about it. Babes, my phone did off. Babes, me never go online all day long. Babes, I'm gonna tell you, say, Rosealee, Akeam should have did that wipe your tears. Akeam should have did that dry your RIP from your face. Yeah? Cause you're ball like Smaddy did. Yeah? You can't go see you disability. Number one, you can't even confront Sherry. Rosealee, if you have several seats, it's not about you and Jakes. You and Jakes are still a secret. God believe me. See the real series here. And you don't want nobody latch on to Jakes and what's your name, Cheryl? You don't want nobody latch on to them. You don't want it. Because you and Akeam not have no series, you know. Where you and Akeam have a not even commercial. God believe me. You and Akeam not have no secret, nothing at all. No series, nothing. Not even commercial. But you don't want nobody buying to the fact that this is real. This is real. Yeah, this is love. Only love. Nobody makes me feel like you do. No one but you. And that'll beat your bad. That'll beat your bad. You want love. You want a warm hug. You want chest to chest, skin to skin, and you not get that. You not get that. Continue paying max 100 grand for grind, you know. I remember you a buy body girl. You a buy body girl. Anytime you claim to say you get a pleasure, you buy that. The only thing we really love you is the deal with the rat shit. But I go breed you from back ways, you know. Say better rat do the breed you. Remember, the only thing we really like you are the dildo. And it a beat you bad. Nobody na kiss you because you're handicapped in your face. Remember, you alone can't talk without your mouth frill. Yeah, your face never relax yet. You're very fidgety in your face. Like you suck camphor ball. Me not ask you, baby girl. Me say Jakes are rub you know. Jakes are going pan, you know. Jakes are rubbing a dub. Hey, Jakes are going pan, you know. Your sister buy AC. You don't own the AC. Are you alone? Me say have 2 AC in a house and still a perspire. How you do it? Is it a magic trick? How you do it? Is it that the AC them want service? How you do it? Can you have the AC them in the house and a drip? Me I wonder if the AC them a wall plate. Me just wonder if a wall plate. Eh? Menopause, and Rosealee says she's just 33 and reach menopause. Fear menopause too early. It's a hot girl summer. Rosealee not fire. She not fire for the summer. Cause see how wicked a girl come down there and steal the sun. Cheryl name the sun, you know. Cheryl name the sun and belch the sky. Me not ask you. Me not ask you. Yeah, nothing where Rosealee can ever sit down and talk man like Rosealee, you're so negative. And when me say you're negative, I mean nobody can tell one day or week when you cruise out something positive. Nobody cannot tell. Nobody. You're so negative and people not looking at your life that every time you open your mouth you flap. Yeah? People not looking at your life and say, this cannot be true. Nothing where you speak from your mouth can be true. Eh? Jakes name the moon. And Jakes eat the moon and Cheryl eat the sun. Jakes name the moon and Cheryl eat the sun. Barbara and Shantan name up the stars and the galaxies. Me now ask you, Rosealee, the sky done pan you. The sky done pan you, Rosealee. Me not tell a lie. I pay I life and I like it, them a live. Cheryl make them know, say, look up your redemption, draw it now. Yeah? Me not ask you. Jakes eat the moon. You know, see him and Cheryl under the moonlight. And them a go run off into the sunset. Watch it. Where is Akeam? Still asking. When you broke, you go see him surface. When you broke, make sure you have film dividends put on. Cause you have to pay the boy for par with you. You have to pay the boy for par with you. Me not ask you. It's a paid program. You want Akeam Depan paid program. Of course, slutty there Jamaica. So when you see Rosealee a ball, I tell no lie. A double beat the Rosealee gets. Not an investment. Not an investment paid program. Not an investment. Not an investment. Rosealee work with Akeam. Rosealee a sales rep. Rosealee must go out there and advertise Akeam. Me not ask, you should come and talk about our gift as them a look him. Cause him use her for advertise him. And what do you now watch the game? When you now watch the game, you know, as soon as him find a highest bidder, remember figure it out, it said nobody can make him this diamond. What I feel like Beyonce? When they share watch. All of a sudden I feel like Beyonce. Yeah. Me nah ask no. Me nah ask no. She a mad. She a mad. Yeah. Then me and you cannot own up me. And you're gonna tell me say you're hurting like this and me not know about it. Babes, my phone did off. Babes, me never go online all day long. Babes, I'm gonna tell you say Rosealee, Akeam should have did that wipe your tears. Akeam should have did that dry your RIP from your face. Yeah. Cause you ball like Smaddy did. Yeah. You can't go see you disability. Number one, you can't even confront Cheryl. Cheryl says she gonna put a stop order upon you calling her name. Make it make sense. Of course, one day you're gonna get tired. Let me say this to you. It's the same way Jakes grow tired of Rosealee. I saw Akeam gonna grow tired of her money. Akeam has set up for himself so he have to look back on the ag. Me not ask you. Akeam is a little boy, he's not a bedside nurse. He never get one in a nursing home. He never get one in a nursing home. Let me tell you that. So when time she sit down on her live and go on like she a portion a lady, see how girl take girl man yeah, and she use you Rosealee as example. So girl take girl man. Yeah, and show up in them face. Number one, Jake's great restraining order so you don't come back and see me because Cheryl will be here. Then you can imagine you dry your dirty slippers in a CV or what like a portion or something. Cheryl will just spit by you. Don't tell your friend who own the bar for collect Cheryl money. You think the girl will go give up for your profit for friendship? Get away, you big fat swine. Yeah. Then you think so the girl, you think say muscle are gonna give up that? You must be dreaming. Yeah. Me not ask you them little something you eat. You have a lot of hatred in your heart for people. Because when things now go your way, when nobody depend on your side, yeah, you eat them, you write them off, you rub them out. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Come out and talk the truth. Bad mind will kill you. Me not tell a lie. Jakes move a cocky where you yearn off and miss. And Akeam move a body where you pay for. The two of them are lick you for 6 and them not play cricket. Jakes look good last night, Jakes all have a real chain around him neck. And it match him neckline. It match him shirt neck. Him have a real chain. I say when I see Jakes last night, when they have Jakes at 21, I say him just get him ID for coming to the club. While you over there, problem dip on your fat. Problem dip on your fat, your face drop. Yeah. Me now ask him a baby, how you work out that? She not eat her sister alone. Don't say that. Rosealee ate her kids them too. Rosealee ate her kids them too. Remember Shanta did that for that school go tell teacher say get CD you know cause mommy no like we. Remember you know, enough of you remember say Rosealee I got a code for the pity them you know long before CD even so hype and so hip you know. Remember you know but you don't remember them something there. Remember una lazy in memory, in no memory, una lazy. Yeah. You not tell the people them the truth, say you really don't like because Akeam, but him gonna beat you. Beat you. It's a paid program you and Akeam have. Yeah, unbothered, it's true. It's true. So Cheryl come again there and Cheryl say, remember say, is somebody have to buy clothes for your picnic them, you know? Because you say you're not buying any. She always sabotage the kids. Come here. Remember when I say I love tell lie, I love take step on people, you know. Oh, remember when I draw your attention to the fact say, my, I'ma feel it for the kids. Like you only hear my custom for the mother sake, for the mother pay attention. Oh, remember time I come and I say anytime Rosealee and Jakes kick off, the kids don't get anything to eat until in the night when she feel like say she want back friendship from him, she call him. And say, what? Me that eat something. You can't cook some turkey now. Remember me telling you say Rosealee don't know her kids them during time them come from school. Go you hear Jakes come back come talk it and say she don't want no responsibility because she don't know the people them then. Me tell you but you see una some idiot set of people. Yeah, Tory them are some, you see people on the internet. And I said this already, wanna support this girl into her demise. Me not ask wanna support her right in her demise. Yeah, that's why they not like when I open my mouth. Because when them can't say the things and they fly over phone head based on comment section. Yeah girl, yeah black all of who not agree. You don't have to agree with me on my program. I always beg my moderator, no, give them a chance now. And then everybody gonna agree with what me say. But give them a chance because I want to explain and I want them explain. Yeah. Anytime at all, the kids them suffer when you and Jakes not talking. You have up Akeam, so you send me chukums. You have up Akeam, you know, so you send me chukums. No for uno no know, you know. So Rosealee have up Akeam, I want class Akeam, you know. That's why she give away the dog. So she have up Jakes and give her the picnic them. She not better than gifted hands. I wanna support all of them something and call them mom. Uno dirty people support all of them something and call them mom. Yeah, and it's true. She and Jakes at it, so she gave away the kids. And but that said not me, not gonna me attack, you know. No, but when screen recorder put out this, it reached them who me attack. Yeah, Jakes said she don't want no responsibility, and it's true. None whatsoever. You have two picnic, and the stepmother is a mama to them, is a mom, mommy. Yeah. Me not ask him a baby girl. Cause one PS5 for the entire house where you have an Akeam friend them. So when them come over there and take it from Barbara and start play, cause them not stay long. Remember, Akeam treat you like a prisoner. A visit you get, you know. Visit. You never know. Some don't know how people sit down and really justify a cause by stating that Rosealee are a real general and how everybody coming at Rosealee. Nobody now come at Rosealee. Tell Rosealee to come up with FYP with her shenanigans. Then tell her to come up with FYP with her foolery. And tell her to come off. Shebada, sit down. Where you have over Cheryl Rosealee. Number one, Cheryl have ambition. Number two, you sit down on the app and you beg and wash card. Eh? Where you have pan Cheryl, you don't have nothing pan Cheryl. Do what Cheryl do and beat Jakes. Do what Cheryl did and beat Jakes. Do what she's doing and beat Jakes. Come now. Make Akeam spoil like how Cheryl has spoiled Jakes. You know, say you and Jakes are work interchangeably. Jakes are reap the benefit and you reap the sadness. Jakes a get pamper, you a walk a pamper things when I want you. Yeah, so you never know. Rosealee can't live now. When number one, Rosealee nasty. So either way, one way or another. And Akeam don't live far from Rosealee. Don't make me talk about the three and live in a circle. And you can't go in the yard. You can't. Me never see this yet. You give away your picnic for your man, be a dog for your company. You give away your happiness for your man, be a dog or sadness. Eh? Yeah, Akeam buy your recovery dog. Anything to help you with your emotions. Akeam buy your dog with pack with empath. Yeah. Akeam dog pack with empathy. He buy an empath. Me now ask you. Anytime you feel angry, Chukums must calm you. Me now ask you, Rosealee, and you really want to argue with Cheryl, you lose. Go take several seats, you lose. Yeah, emotional support. And that's your dog. Because Akeam never will stress you. Don't even stress that. Then girl then I add Cheryl about it. It's a silly stress. It's a mad Rosealee. If anybody who are your friend and not tell you the truth, can be just a girl, enough is enough, you flap. You can't win this. You can't win this. Yeah, she lost. She lose, lost and lost. Yeah. For sure. Cheryl is supposed to buy the book them Brown Sugar. So when you hear she has said that Brown Sugar I choose she want to get on top of Cheryl nerves. She know she gonna say Cheryl now go want me instruct her, you know. So this will go burn her when I say it. But Cheryl now go down to Kingston bookshop to buy them. She's gonna give Jakes the money. And Jakes might give Marcia the money or whoever the money to go and get the kids them booklets. I am pretty sure that Cheryl will go buy them school bag. Them uniform. Yeah, you don't have to do nothing. Cheryl will give you a break. Cheryl will gonna show you that Jakes don't need your money. And Cheryl will set up Jakes in a position so that Jakes don't have to look forward to you for nothing towards the kids. You never know that. So you and him have to communicate. And that's your mad, yo. You never know that. Remember you like when people eat out of your hand niggle. You like feel like a big shit because a peanut you used to sell. Yeah, you like feel like a big shit. Black brown in for me please. Yeah, you like feel like a big shit. You never know. You never know that. Yeah man, Cheryl has set up Jakes in a position where he not have to beg you. Thank you Auntie Daphne. He not have to beg you nothing. You never know. A data beat you. Are you soon have to call the kids and say, "Oh, no miss me, oh no want this. I have this for you know. I have this for this. And I have this for that." Me not ask you. Me not asking you. He's a wicked dirty girl. You set up about 30 people for the report pan Jakes in a Seaview, but he's an abusive father. You. And when Jakes go up at embassy and get turned down, you did that. And you want your life to start out, Cheryl will go work on it, you see? And Jakes just have to keep him orders. So when you hear the people that make videos and I put up about Rosealee a real top girl, me laugh. Me laugh because them video for people who don't have no knowledge. Me laugh. Me laugh, me kiki kaka. Yeah, as such a stay. She think you're going up on the other side for true. No, such a stay. Me say me not tell you no lie. Me say one thing me sorry say Cheryl say out her mouth today is that she not buy the book list. When you know you not buy it, just come up and say, "Rosealee, me I take the man, so me supposed to know my position." Remember Jakes not have it? Yeah. Remember when you say me and mine Jakes, so me gonna show you how my mind a family. All when you not do it, you lick her for 6. You lick her for 6. Me not ask you. Me not ask you. It's true. Cause she attack everything for you not to do anything. Yeah, she want to say, oh, me a get pan her head. Me a get pan her head. She rich lonely and sad. And she the only one who have AC as decoration. Cause she still a drip on the and she alone. She alone. Rosealee can't even go outside go do live. And she claims to say she live in a gated community. She can't even go outside under the sycamore tree. She have to just stuck in her kitchen and she knows she has no ingredients. Yeah, don't make she get to your head. Don't make she get to your head. A vex, it a killer. It a eat her up, it a nyam her up. Cheryl a nyam up Rosealee without even trying. She not gonna change the curtain. What do you mean the curtain won't change? The rich part Rosealee gonna stay for and change the curtain. Then all me and you a real idiot here. Cause we have high hopes to she cleaning the house. And me and you a real idiot. Curtain not change. Never ever gonna change. I never know. There is nothing that Rosealee can do. Me can pick out and say, yeah, no, no. Remember say that two of Rosealee made them come in, Slutty and Cheryl. Always remember, she get beaten from all angles. Yeah, who remember the woman who host that program there? Rosealee feel like the host for all angles. She get lick left, right and center. Left, right and center. Then when we gonna really take my gigabytes and sit down for hear what Rosealee say, no, I'm going over the winner's corner. Where Jake's there? Over the winner's corner, I'm going. Oh, I say Jake's a candy party and Jake's in a cabana. Now let me feel like the beat up Marcy a little boy. Be not telling a lie. I just feel like the kick with Jake's foot. Take off him shirt and take off him chain and run with it. Cheryl suit out Jake's and Jake's look good enough. Hey, you can know in time man find good girl enough. Then image change, personality change. Everything changed. Oh, remember time Jakes and Rosealee did there in favor Scar Dog. In favor Scar Dog. When I tell me the thing said Jakes was a big old man. Me not tell a lie, all the criminality does off of Jakes. Jakes look like him just come out of the powder dish with always a store navel string. Me not ask you no. Jakes look like him just jump out of the powder dish. Me not tell you no lie. Rosealee, God know you're cursed. Man nothing there with you. You are cursed. And when I say curse, that's why Akeam for it for grind you. Because the old man say anytime you go here so you doom, you go favor tomb. And that's why Akeam don't want to do it, because Akeam don't ask the old man, if I should grind her, what will my life be? And the old man looking at crystal ball and say blackout. And that's why you don't get the pum pum Rosealee. Yeah, and that's why you don't get the pum pum. All your 5 feet, you better go and use a dildo with the rat leave pension pan. Shit. Remember, so the rat will the dildo to you, because he knows so your time did have a bitter. Yeah. He knows so your time did have a bitter. It's true. He know your time did a draw nigh. So anybody who are real fear them now tell you the truth is a wicked girl. I tell you this, you sacrifice your picnic them, sacrifice your kids them, just to keep man, and just to hurt Cheryl, you sacrifice your kids them, just to hurt Jakes. No shock, but I true me I tell my baby, I true me I tell if I true the rat will the dildo to Rosealee. Remember if GX never look for theme idea passport, you know, may I tell you what wouldn't say with the will pan the dildo, what wouldn't say the will and testament pan the dildo. Rosealee has always been the devil. Rosealee has always been the devil and not him and Lord. That's why it hurt her when me not pick up for her. Me not ask for no. Then Rosealee can come bow girl. Rosealee can come bow girl. You know say Cheryl class. Down to Jakes lay down in the bed and look on Cheryl and I wonder, would me inherit this? God me not deserve this. But also God bless with things beyond our understanding, Jakes. Work with it. Yeah, one thing with God, Him not judge we according to our sins. Him not treat us according to our sins. Yes, Jakes, you deserve it. Me know you sit down and lay down and you say to yourself, say, if you had known you wouldn't get tangled up with Rosealee. Me know you lay down and you say, Jaja Star, I really need this. I really need this. Marcia son this. I know you say so. Yeah, me know you say that. Me not ask you. And it's just the truth. And she attack will say, hey, you see the money where you come down with Cheryl? You nah go back up with it, you know. Yeah, you nah go back up with it. Watch and see. And our face can't keep still because you're so retarded. Yeah, you never know. You know why she says so, Cheryl? And because she know why you give a body nothing. You never know. Because she know why you give a body nothing. But Cheryl, you get head at all. Because she don't know say you never come down for care about nothing. She don't know say you budget yourself for that trip, yeah. As a matter of fact, you over budget for that trip, yeah. She don't know that. She about to find out. She about to find out. She never know that. Eh? You never know that. Cheryl, she don't know so you pay for all your next month bill already. So when you go up your work with ease, yeah, you don't have to work and look behind you. She don't know that. She don't know say you come down out of tax season. She can't say a tax return money you get and spend. She don't know that. Eh? And that the girl no know. And that the girl no know. Yeah? Me not ask you. Me not ask you. Remember she had a big thing on the app again? Remember Rosealee and a big thing on the app again? Eh? So GX rise up with the app and without the app. Come here now man, Cheryl. So how you still gonna make Rosealee argument get to you? She go talk more because guess what? You see today when you come up and you talk, say, I am not buying anything for the kids, no book list. I am not going to fill the book list because it's her children. That she want here. That she want here. She want here, she want you playing her and that she want here. But it's not true. Cause you ain't gonna buy it. You're gonna give Jakes the money and he's gonna get it done. He's gonna get it done. She can't bother send over for her chopans, you know. Cause remember she did plan for buy Jakes things, housewarming gift, you know, to put in a your house with a your tile and Cheryl. You remember? Remember she want to buy Jake's housewarming gifts after she realized that the grass not growing in there. You not see it? You not see it, Cheryl? Eh? That's why I say leave her alone. Anything she says, Rosealee, anything you talk it may work with. When you say I have to buy the picnic book list, I when I have to buy it. One if I can buy it early, you know. I want to buy it early because it's soon August. I want them comfortably in August, not worrying, not fretting. So I want to buy it early. I can buy it month, you know, and go through the book list. Yeah, make them have everything, make them go take their measurement now. How much uniform you give them? 4-4. Yeah, man. 4-4 will do. Yeah. 4-4. Yeah, she not have to do nothing. Make she fight for do things for her picking them. Counter out because guess what makes she feel strong when she believes to nothing depend on her. Yeah. And I saw argument go. But come here, Cheryl, on the flip side of the coin. Come here. I will teach you for cuss. Mr. Cheryl, you're cussing a piece of what I got to shoulda, coulda, woulda. Alabama you come from? Me say you put on a piece of cussing today, you know. Me say the most of my cussing, you know. Come here, try understand where you're cussing. I know. She isn't going to... Cheryl, what's wrong with you? Why you never call me? Eh? Why you never call me, Cheryl? Because I can't understand nothing what you're cussing. When I tell me think I news I read, me say I walk going to foreign, you know. Eh? How can I cussing them? Me say Cheryl, it hurt me today. I say I want to plug out Jake's phone and then I realize I'm me and listen to him. I say and Jake stand up there and Jake can cussing and Cheryl. Why not just tag him? Eh? Why not just make Jake cuss? And she forgot suck out. Jake said tell her to go suck out Laverne. No, I'm not going there. You know, say if me and you walk and somebody a cuss you, me go lick in your face, Cheryl, if you shut up. Me I say you shut up and give me this. Cause me know why you cuss, me know why you say nothing. Just stand up and fold your hands, so. All they can say is, go best friend. Yeah, he said that. Me know why you say nothing. Me say Cheryl, you irritate me to this okay. All Jake say, everybody in my family grinder, you know. Yeah, every set of family grinder. Yeah, every family we should go around grinder. I am not going there. Surely in your church. No man, it look like you don't come down with no clothes in a suitcase. That Bible, you come down with anthrax. Yeah, keep convention, crusade, or street meeting. No more, no. Mr. Sherry, Mr. Lumsa, today, every time you cuss me, I see me. I say for me like the two girls in the life, I say, Lady Cheryl, just step back little now. Step back out of the wall. Come me to buy out the one you for free. If I even credit it. Yeah. Me just say step back little Cheryl. Give me this. Yeah. Cause you now cuss all now. But so I don't want this thinking crashes gal. Your mother said you go to school, you know, woman. Your mother said you go to school. I should say you Convent of Mercy. Then I never know say Cheryl in our church. Yeah? And I don't like it, man. And this girl always coming like say, me say, me not lie. I when Jake say, and Jake open his mouth, and Jake start talk the things them. You hear me? Yeah. Feel like me there football match. Yeah. I saw me a one. My mouth big like when Rosealee did a ball. You want to see me jump up and down in a foreign bed. You want to see me jump up and down in a foreign bed. Me keep quiet when you attack. You sound like commercial, my sister. No cuss again, Cheryl. Sister Cheryl, no cuss again. If you feel like you want cuss, call me. Call me. You know, open your mouth and say another word in the argument. When you go get by my time to listen to when you're cuss. You never write down nothing from foreign carrot, no sorry. When you reach a Jamaica, you never pick up nothing. You should have picked up something, man, if I even at the airport. You should even say, Rosealee, come and suck me from sideways and infect my crotches with your saliva. I want to hear you tell her, oh, our tongue white. Me say when you tell us your tongue white, my mind flashback on the big dog when me did have at the place where me did there up here, the dog with favor fox. When you say Rosealee tongue white, here me Jamaica celebrate Labor Day, they might put the whitewash them on the sidewalk, you know. When you say Rosealee tongue white, in me I'll point me across the pedestrian. Yeah. Me say when you say Rosealee tongue white, and it's true. It's true, the little girl tongue have a built-in white. It have a built-in white like our tongue curse. You can't catch yeast infection by your tongue, just asking. I know you can't catch gonorrhea in your throat. Someone if you can't catch yeast infection by your tongue. Because Rosealee tongue now stop white, you know. Me say Rosealee tongue white like she hungry, she show her how much snacks. Then if the tongue white, or the tongue ring? Eh? Rosealee a baby, she catch trash. Rosealee gone back a baby stage. The Bible it say once a man, twice a child. You know so early she reach for her childhood again. Cheryl, that's how you make girl start over. You go kill the girl in a Cheryl. And when you go, come in a one Jake's carry go airport, me one carry her when you go. I just want to know when you go. I'm not fast in business, sure. I just know more. Can you imagine? 2 of Rosealee man them there Candy Crush. 2 of them. And she just home alone. This is some Tina Turner shit. Two of them out and about when them used to go out. And Akeam nah give up the street life, you know. Akeam nah give up the street life. What is most important to Akeam? Rosealee or party? Eh? What is more important? Eh? You might not think a baby alone catch that, no baby.